Hey there! Today we're going to dive into a curious problem that might puzzle you when working with arrays in Perl. Picture this. You try to initialize an array with a list of lists, but instead of getting the result you expect, something unexpected happens. This dilemma raises the question of whether it's a bug, a quirk, or just a bad practice. Let's unravel this intriguing problem together. Now, moving on to the solution that sheds light on this puzzling array behavior. The key insight here is that when initializing arrays in Perl, you don't actually need that extra layer of square brackets. By simply removing them, as shown in the code snippet precotomy at nelp equals b copre, you can see a clearer representation of what's going on. Taking a step further into the solution, we discover that adding a comma after the list within brackets, like in precotomy at equals a b comma copre, allows us to explicitly define the list structure as an array of arrays. This tweak gives us more control over how the elements are organized within the array, providing a handy workaround to the initial quirk we encountered. Continuing with the solution journey, another approach involves itemizing the first array by using a $sign before the square brackets, as illustrated in precotomy at b equals $a, b copre. This method ensures that the elements are represented as separate items, maintaining the desired structure without any unexpected flattening. In summary, we explored a fascinating array initialization problem in Perl and uncovered clever solutions to tackle it effectively. Remember, removing unnecessary brackets and utilizing commas or itemizing arrays can make a significant difference in how your arrays are constructed. I hope this helped shed some light on this quirk. And until next time, remember to subscribe, like, and comment with your thoughts. Who knew arrays could have such a knack for surprises?